The Applied Technology for Neuro-Psychology Lab develops innovative tools, applications, and services for psychology and neuroscience, exploring the opportunities offered by information and telecommunication technologies for clinical applications. The Intrepid multisensory system has been developed for patients affected by generalized anxiety disorder. The innovation of the Intrepid project is the combination of virtual reality and biofeedback. The patient is made aware of her reactions, assessed using physiological parameters, through the modification of the virtual reality environment in real time. The use of portable devices, such as PDAs or smartphones, allows the patient to perform at home the same exercises learned in the therapist's office. Virtual reality is used to enhance emotional processes of daily life by helping patients to face memories and situations associated with them. Each session performed with the therapist, except the first one, starts with a briefing about the course of symptoms the patient experienced at home during her everyday life, and the possible difficulties encountered using mobile devices and running the home care scenario. After this step, the patient begins the virtual reality treatment. First of all, she is connected with all the technological devices, including a head-mounted display, a joystick, and biosensors that record her heart rates and skin conductance. At this point, the therapist turns on the biofeedback device and records the patient's physiological parameters for 3 minutes, while the patient is in the rest condition. This serves as a base